Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Habiba, and today in this YouTube video I will be showing you guys how I achieve this look with the colorful brows. That's the main thing, but if you want to stick around and watch the rest of the video, you definitely can. I hope you guys are all doing well, self-quarantining, self-distancing, and all of that to keep you safe from corona, keep your family safe. I hope everybody's doing well, and let's get on into this video. I hope all is well with all of you all during this quarantine time. I can definitely say I'm doing okay. But anyway, just gonna teach you guys how I do my colorful eyebrow tutorial. So I obviously just start off by brushing my eyebrow hairs up. And I take any random angled brush. And I use this Anastasia Eye Primer. It's really for eyeshadow, but I just use it for my base for the eyebrows. So I'll take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and I just start filling in my eyebrows like I would with any pomade or pencil or whatever.
Riding the Jaguar, fast life, like a nigga do NASCAR, take off, like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap, write me rich, so your mother a pack, designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at, write me rich, I started that shit, look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race, high, riding the Jaguar, fast life, like a nigga do NASCAR, take off, like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap, write me rich, so your mother a pack, designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at, get money, we them niggas. Taking this rap shit global, niggas don't know you, fuck who you hang with. L7 when we catching the stain, big crip, RP nip hustle. One thing, me and my niggas hustle. Rolling crip, gotta piece me the left way. Grind me rich, I'm in tune with the shit. Politic, what we talking for what? Racks up, we ain't talking about 10.
So your eyebrows should look something like this when you're done putting the base on. Yes, it does look a little crazy at first, but this is just all part of the show, all part of the plan. Okay, and while I'm on this step with the eye primer, I also like to go ahead and conceal my eyebrows.
One is love, y'all know the cuz, need me a bad bitch, only dimes, no average. Black girl, she Malaysian, dig her down to the morning. Marijuana in the morning, back to a trap near you. City lit, when my shooters official. 380 when I walk with a pistol. Keeping it minimal, not for the games. No chance he in range, niggas die for some fame. Broke sitting, you a lame. Running hard, what I do. Going hard, what I do. Dropping.
And now it's time for the fun part. So you can just take whatever palette you want. If you have been looking at my Instagram, you know that I did pink, and I have done a really dark blue. It almost looks purple sometimes it looks blue a little bit, but I'm gonna go in with like an ultraviolet type of hot pink color today, because that's just the color that I've been eyeing, and ever since I've done those other looks I was like, yeah, I gotta do this color next. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll show you guys in a second which color I'm using. So I'm gonna take another angled brush. This is a different angled brush, and I'm gonna use this pink right here. It's like really pretty, and when I saw it I was like, yeah, this is my next victim. Yes sir. So I just like to pat it on the brush, pat it from the palette like that. And I just start patting it onto the eyebrow. Since I switched brushes, I'm gonna go in with this brush just because it's flat. And I feel like
Write me rich, so your mother a pack, designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race, high, riding the Jaguar, fast life, like a nigga do NASCAR, take off, like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack, designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Crack cards, we was scamming, free bands off the plastic, Bitcoin active, trapping work, basic, shooter with me, he impatient. Young niggas, we just reckless, watch it step when you stepping. Write me rich, I'm a legend. Write me rich, I'm that nigga. Wipe a piece, go trap, little nigga. Trendsetters, we started this shit. Bad bitch, let her swallow my kids. Run some cookies, we ain't smoking no mids. Loud smoke, we ain't puffing no cig. Got the honor, let her dick in her rib. Base a roller, I put on for the set. Driller eye, niggas die for respect. Gang, write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swag. swagger, speed race. High riding the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga through NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. High riding the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga through NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Get money, we them niggas. Taking this rap shit global, niggas don't know you, fuck who you hang with. L7 when we catching the stain, big crip, RP nip hustle. One thing, me and my niggas hustle, rolling crip, gotta piece me the left way. Grind me rich, I'm in tune with the shit. Politic, what we talking for what? Racks up, we ain't talking about tennis. Reboot bucks, cuz of a menace. Watch your step when you step in my section. Watch your step when you step to my niggas. Hang around killers, drug dealers. Niggas that rob, we from the street. Rockstar when I jump on the beat. Gang, Fifth City Crip, active. Need money, buy a package. No cap when we rapping. Need cash, open up. Bet with 10 freaky sluts. Money keep me in a rush. Money keep me on the go. Shout out Cuzzo on the lows. Shout out Cardi, that's the blood. 50-50, one is love. Y'all know the cuz. Need me a bad bitch. Only dimes, no average. Black girl, she Malaysian. Dick her down to the morning. Marijuana in the morning. Back to a trap near you. City lit when my shooters official. 380 when I walk with a pistol. Keeping it minimal, not for the games. No chance he in range. Niggas die for some fame. Broke sitting, you a lame. Running hard, what I do. Going hard, what I do. Dropping hits in the stoop. Young nigga making moves. Fuck what they talking about, nigga, we lit. Down bad, hit a lick. Write me rich, take a pic. Gang, gang. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. High riding the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga through NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. High riding the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga through NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Rolling shit. Gang shit, man. 30 block, HMC Rich Roller shit. All them prep. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. High riding the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga through NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. High riding the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga through NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Crack cards, we was scamming. Free bands off the plastic. Bitcoin active, trapping work. Basic, shooter with me, he impatient. Young niggas, we just reckless. Watch your step when you steppin'. Write me rich, I'm a legend. Write me rich, I'm that nigga. Wipe a piece, go trap, little nigga. Trendsetters, we started this shit. Bad bitch, let her swallow my kids. Run some cookies, we ain't smoking no mids. Loud smoke, we ain't puffin' no cig. Got the honor, let her dick in her rib. Basil roller, I put on for the set. Driller eye, niggas die for respect. Gang, write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. High riding the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga through NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. High riding the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga through NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Get money, we them niggas. Taking this rap shit global, niggas don't know you, fuck who you hang with. L7 when we catching the stain, big crip, RP nip hustle. One thing, me and my niggas hustle. Rolling crip, gotta piece me the left way. Grind me rich, I'm in tune with the shit. Politic, what we talking for what? Racks up, we ain't talking about tennis. Reboot bucks, cuz of a menace. Watch your step when you step in my section. Watch your step when you step to my niggas. Hang around killers, drug dealers. Niggas that rob, we from the street. Rockstar when I jump on the beat. Gang, Fifth City Crip, active. Need money, buy a package. No cap when we rapping. Need cash, open up. Bet with 10 freaky sluts. Money keep me in a rush. Money keep me on the go. Shout out Cuzzo on the lows. Shout out Cardi, that's the blood. 50-50, one is love. Y'all know the cuz. Need me a bad bitch. Only dimes, no average. Black girl, she Malaysian. Dick her down to the morning. Marijuana in the morning. Back to a trap near you. City lit, all my shooters official. 380 when I walk with a pistol. Keeping it minimal, not for the games. No chance he in range. Niggas die for some fame. Broke sitting, you a lame. Running hard, what I do. Going hard, what I do. Dropping hits in the stew. Young nigga making moves. Fuck what they talking about, nigga, we lit. Down bad, hit a lick. Write me rich, take a pic. Gang. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. How I ride in the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga do NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. How I ride in the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga do NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Rolling shit. Gang shit, man. 30 block, HMC Rich Roller shit. Harlem Prep. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. How I ride in the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga do NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Look at the drip, look at the swagger, speed race. How I ride in the Jaguar, fast life. Like a nigga do NASCAR, take off. Like a nigga in NASA, crack cards, I was still in the trap. Write me rich, so your mother a pack. Designer drugs, can't feel where I'm at. Write me rich, I started that shit. Crack cards, we was scamming. Free bands off the plastic. Bitcoin active, trapping work. Basic, shooter with me, he impatient. Young niggas, we just reckless. Watch a step when you stepping. Write me rich, I'm a legend. Write me rich, I'm that nigga. Wipe a piece, go trap, little nigga. Trendsetters, we started this shit. Bad bitch, let her swallow my kids. Run some cookies, we ain't smoking no mids. Loud smoke, we ain't puffing no cig. Tatiana let her dick in her rib. Basil roller, I put on for the set. Driller eye, niggas die for respect.
So I'm gonna go off camera, fix my hair up, and I'll show you all the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope everyone is staying home. I hope everyone is practicing healthy habits. If you haven't been before, I hope you are now. And I hope you're taking Corona seriously, because I'm not gonna lie, I was not taking it as serious at first, but I am now. And I also wanted to mention that on my lips, I did go ahead and add another lip. I added the NYX Butter Gloss, Intense Butter Gloss, whatever, and some Fenty on top. Well, let me add some more. I feel like it's going away, but who doesn't love Fenty? Just a little bit. But yep, and Fenty on top. And I did go ahead and comb my lashes with some Fenty mascara, just so it can blend better with the lashes that I have on and I don't look too crazy. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You all have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.